Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have SONOS ACE Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your device, or if they're not syncing and pairing with Bluetooth or anything like that, or if they're not responding, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you're just trying to get a fresh start on these, you just want to wipe everything off and have them the way they were when they came out of the box, with everything, all the pairing history and everything wiped off. We can do that quite simply. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this. You're going to need a powered USB-C plug in order to do this. So basically what you're going to do is you want to make sure that your headphones are powered on. And while they're powered on, you're going to press and hold the power button. And then while pressing and holding the power button, like as soon as you hit the power button, you're going to then on the left ear cup, you're going to plug in the powered USB port. And then from there, you're just going to continue to hold that power button until the SONOS ACE's status light flashes white. That'll take about 7 seconds of holding the power button while this is plugged in. After the status light flashes white, you can go ahead and unplug the cable from the SONOS ACE and then release the power button. So it's going to go power button, plug in, wait, and then unplug, release power button. And then once it's reset, it will go into pairing mode and show a flashing blue light, and you can go ahead and set it up as new headphones.